It's that time of year. We are back again for the 10, 20, 30-day Pilates journey. You've heard it before. In 10 sessions, you'll feel a difference. In 20 sessions, you'll see a difference. And in 30 sessions, you'll have a whole new body. This is the promise that Joe Pilates made to his clients back in the day, demonstrating the power that a daily Pilates practice could have. And in January, we are putting it to the test with 30 days of Pilates. Last year's Pilates journey was such a hit. Everyone who participated had an amazing time. They were able to feel a difference in their body, feel a difference in their mental state, in their spirit, their happiness, and they also were able to connect to their body in a whole new way by taking their Pilates practice into a daily routine. And that's exactly what this journey is for. Each day we're going to do just 10 minutes of Pilates. So even if you have a super crazy schedule and it's hard for you to fit in daily movement, this is going to be really accessible for you. So Pilates is a couple of things. It's strength with stretch and control, but it's also the coordination of body, mind, and spirit. And although we work our butts off in Pilates, it still makes us feel happy in our mind and our spirit. So with this movement practice, we are also adding a mindfulness element, just as we did last year. While we take care of our bodies through our movement practice, we'll take care of our minds and spirits by checking in, maybe with a journal if that's your thing, to see how you're feeling before your movement practice, and then check in after your movement practice. And then on the 10th day, the 20th day, and finally the 30th day, you'll do a larger check-in with yourself, looking back at your notes to see your overall progress made throughout the 30-day journey. And the best part is this journey is completely free, no gimmicks or catches. It'll be on YouTube for everyone to view, and it'll be on YouTube forever. So if you get caught up in your day-to-day and forget your daily practice, you can always go back the next day and catch up. This journey is also an equipment-free journey, so all you'll need is your body and a space to work out in. A space about this big will do it. You'll need to be able to lie down flat and stretch your arms more or less above your head in order to be able to do each of the exercises that I give you throughout the 30 days. A journal will also be handy if you're one of those people who is planning to track and writing your progress every day, which I highly recommend that you do. And to keep everyone accountable and motivated, I'll be sending everyone an email straight to your inbox each day with your daily movement practice, your 10-minute Pilates workout, along with a little note to help you work on your mindfulness and some things to think about during your movement. As I said before, each workout will be posted onto my YouTube channel, Terriell Samuels Pilates. To make sure that you don't miss a beat, sign up for this challenge in the description below so that you can get an email each day into your inbox with each day's workout and a note from me. I'm so excited to take you on this 10, 20, 30-day Pilates journey for the second time. This is our second year doing this. It's going to be so much fun. I can't wait to see what doing Pilates every day does for your body, mind, and spirit. I guess that's all I have for you for now. I will see you on the mat on January 2nd.